Welcome to another in a series of Hayward training videos. How to make an existing pool more energy efficient. There are many things you can do to an existing pool and its equipment to make the footprint more energy efficient. We are going to now explore those options. There are three ways to make existing swimming pools more energy efficient. The first is to increase the hydraulic efficiency of the pool system, which causes lower head loss, leading to the smallest pump or lowest RPM necessary. Second is to reduce the RPM of the motor by using variable or multi-speed motors. The third is to replace electrical items on the pool with more energy efficient models. Let's start with the ways you can increase the hydraulic efficiency of the pool system. One way is to increase the size of the return eyeball fittings. Having small eyeball fittings installed on the pool returns give a false impression of flow by showing movement via water pressure. Putting a larger eyeball on the return gives you more flow with less back pressure. Shown here are eyeballs sizes 3/8 through 1 inch. Using a small eyeball is like putting a pressure nozzle on the end of a hose, giving you less flow with more pressure. Older filters can be replaced with more flow-efficient cartridge filters. As shown here with the DE filter, backwash valves add a substantial amount of head loss, which reduce flow. Cartridge filters do not need a backwash valve. To reduce head loss and increase flow, high head loss 90-degree elbows in the plumbing system can be replaced with more efficient double 45s or even more efficient sweeps. By replumbing to remove any unnecessary fittings from the system will also help. As shown here, most state-of-the-art equipment comes with union connecting fittings that allow for 2-inch or 2.5-inch pipe. Plumbing a system in the largest and most efficient pipe will reduce head loss and increase flow, so consider increasing the pipe size to 2 or 2.5 inch or even larger. To make sure the pump is getting all the water it needs, the suction side of the pump should have a manifold that builds in size to accommodate the flow coming from multiple suction points. We have talked about those things we can do to improve the hydraulic efficiency of the pool. Let's now look at what we can do with the pump that circulates the water. How does the multi-speed technology work? It all starts with the pump affinity law. As shown here, this law states that when you reduce the speed of the pump by half, the head loss will be 1/4 of what it was at full speed, and the electrical usage will be approximately 1/8 of what it was at full speed. The great part about this law is when you cut the speed in half once more, the law again applies, thus increasing your energy savings again. The actual savings will vary depending upon the increased run time to make sure complete turnover is achieved. Hayward has many models of 2-speed pumps along with the EcoStar variable speed pump. We will have a training video soon that will talk in more detail about the EcoStar and variable speed technology. As shown, Hayward has many pumps, filters, and heaters that have 2 by 2.5 inch connecting couplers that allow for increasing the pipe size and providing you with the enjoyment of owning an energy efficient swimming pool. Last but not least, changing out high wattage lights with low wattage LEDs will reduce electrical costs. By installing color changing universal color logic LED lights, a whole new world of color is added to your pool. Thanks for letting us help to improve the efficiency of your swimming pool.